recording. They're gonna try Mama's milk. What?
Hey.
What do you think, Jack?
It tastes like normal milk.
Tastes like normal milk. Jack, Dylan, your turn.
Except it's not from a cow.
Dylan, your turn. Go ahead. Try it.
It's really good.
It's really sweet.
Do it. It's really
You won't be sorry, I promise.
What?
You won't be sorry, I promise. Try it. Why not? You just watched me pump it out. Just a sip of it. Is it because the camera's on? You don't have to pinch your nose. It doesn't taste bad. Remember, you're like smelling it, saying, it's breast milk, breast milk. How was it? What? How was it?
Watery milk.
Watery milk? Yeah, it's the front milk. It's not the hind milk.
No.
Okay.
Hey.